Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you're someone like me who likes just being active, really a good idea to try these JHVW copper knee sleeves. The reason why these are so nice, whether you are into jogging or hiking or regular walks, it's just a nice thing to protect those knees, whether you have chronic pain or you're just concerned as you're getting older. It is such an easy, convenient thing. You can roll up, put it in your bag, or just slide them on before you leave. You can put them over your leggings, you can put them underneath your pants, your shorts. They're so easy to put on, to take off. It has the gold circle symbol right here, which allows you to line that up to your kneecap. And you can see all of the gold detail kind of shows the support that you are getting on the side, above, below, and behind your knee. And it also has a nice silicone grip on the top part that allows it to stay in place. It really just supports your knee to work properly, to not overextend or overexert itself. It's really just an important thing to take care of your overall body health now and for the future. I think you are definitely going to appreciate this. I think this is a great brand, and that's my point of view.